So recently na I got invited to House of Pasta to try their super creamy and delicious pastas. This was a collaboration but I genuinely appreciated this place क्योंकि यहाँ के जो pastas थे ना, I was really very surprised that the quality and the taste they are offering, and I ended up ordering a bunch of things which I'm very excited to introduce you. So this is House of Pasta located in Kandivali West, Mahavir Nagar. The interiors were very cute and simple. I really liked कि उन्होंने ना अपनी पूरी जर्नी जो है वो उनके पेंटिंग्स में दिखा रखी थी कि उनके आउटलेट्स कहाँ कहाँ पे थे, कहाँ कहाँ पे बंद हो गए एंड कहाँ कहाँ पे शुरू है. अ वेरी क्यूट एंड वेरी एस्थेटिक सेटिंग, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड दिस इज़ हाउस ऑफ पास्ता फॉर यू. द cute things and the fresh things added a very good punch. The first order which came was an Oreo milkshake, very thick and creamy, but I will show you the tasting at the end. First let's see कि orders क्या क्या आए थे. Second came cheesy nachos overloaded with veg. देख के थोड़ी ओवर एक्टिंग तो बनती है. उसके बाद थर्ड ऑर्डर आया यहाँ पे स्पाइसी रोज़ा एंड स्पाइसी रेड सॉस टमेटो पास्ता, एंड इट वाज लुकिंग वेरी गुड. द थर्ड ऑर्डर विच केम वाज पेस्टो पास्ता एंड इट वाज समथिंग यूनिक विच वाज आई वाज गोइंग टू ट्राई फर्स्ट टाइम. मैंने आज तक पेस्टो कभी खाया नहीं था. सो लेट मी शो यू ऑल द थिंग्स टुगेदर. Everything looked very pretty and the plating was also good. I liked the presentation. बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव चीज़ें और बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिवली वो प्रेजेंट कर रहे थे सारी चीज़ें. एंड ऑल टुगेदर दिस थिंग वॉज लुकिंग बॉम्ब एंड आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड कि चलो ट्राई करते हैं दिस प्योर वेज थिंग कैसे टेस्ट करता है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग आई ट्राइड वॉज रोज़ा, spicy rosa, and let me tell you, it was amazing. The spice kick was on point. It was not too spicy, not too lame. It was something well balanced and in the middle, and I was happy with this pasta. Second thing which I tried was penne pesto. Pesto is something you can call green paste. रहता है, a lot of veggies grinded together. It's an Italian thing, you guys can google it. I don't know a lot of things about it. All I could taste was they added broccoli in it, क्योंकि उसका टेस्ट थोड़ा मुझे ब्रोकली टाइप लगा, and all the green veggies, but it was yummy. It was yummy and creamy to eat. I took almost 3 to 4 bites together because I was trying to adjust the flavors on my palate, and I liked it. After that I tried nachos. It had a very spicy sauce on it and hence it was tasting very good. Let me show you close up shot of this cheese. Because I was shooting, the cheese got a bit thick. जब ये आया था तभी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म था. I had to take a spoon to take the cheese dip over it, but the cheese dip and the sauces balanced each other so well. Like, I really liked the fresh nachos. I guess these nachos were in-house made because they were not tasting bad. They were tasting very fresh, and all the jalapenos on it and all the sauces was making a flavorful bomb in my mouth. Finally, it was time for something sweet. As I promised you in the start that we are going to try the Oreo milkshake, and I decided to go for it. A very thick and creamy mixture, very tasty and balanced sweet. I don't think there was any added sweet because the Oreo biscuits were balancing out the sweet. After that I again turned up to eat the pasta because pasta was really good, and the spicy rosa was my favorite. I also finished up the bread in the end because the bread was nicely buttered up and toasted. So that's it. Thank you.